Hello, thanks for joining me for another shave. Today I'm going to be doing a head shave. And you can see by the thumbnail, I'm going to be using my 1986 third quarter Gillette flare tip. This is the last of the super speeds. They only made this for another couple more years. It's got the diamond knurling. Got a Gillette Platinum Blade third use for backup and maybe doing the rest of the shave. I'm using one of these Care. They're a copy of the twin disposable. I've got the package right here. They're sound body. They're made by Edgewell. They're $2.29. I got it at Big Lots. And for soap today, let me rinse off my hand. I'm using Derby, and I whipped it up already. I've got a nice lather already whipped up. I'm using the big bowl. I'm using my DS Cosmetics synthetic barber pole. Got Lucky Witch Hazel. I've been using Dickinson's, but I want to use this up. It's going to take a while, but still want to use it up. And I've got my Ogala's Bay Rum and Vanilla for the aftershave because I just love, oh, this is a wonderful scent. It goes well with a lot of things, so yeah. So let's get this going. I may have hydrated this a little too much. We will see. Hope all you guys' Black Fridays went well and your Thanksgiving went well. Mine was good. Derby. Derby is an excellent tallow-based soap. I do have to be careful. I did cut myself the other day. I did a Mach 3 head shave. And I haven't cut myself with D or anything else lately to a big extent. And I get the Mach 3 out cart razor and I cut myself. Bad. Also got a shave supervisor today. I got Otis, one of my cats. He's right here watching me. I'll insert a photo of him right here. He is a, he's got a brother too. They're from the same litter. But he is they're both tabby cats. Where they were born last May. So, here it is. It's like you put the angle, cheap disposable. It's got a lube strip. Give these a try. I've used them before. They're pretty good. But, okay. The head shave. I don't know what it is lately. He's he likes watching me shave. Yeah, don't hit that. That's coming off too. I can't wait in January. That's coming off, and the one down here is coming off. I did do a face shave today, but I'm going to film, the one I'm going to film will be Wednesday. What are you doing there, buddy? All right, go on. He's getting a little antsy. Okay, back of the head. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me let him out. Shut the door. Everything's good with me. I didn't get nothing. I was a little slow. I was going to get the Henson. But Paul, the shaving fox there, he recommended. I will get it. I just got other things I'm thinking about. And it is Sunday. The razor company does have a sale going on still, if you're interested. I'll link them down below. They actually had some good sales on stuff. I'm going to do the areas I'm comfortable with, and this is how I normally do it. And don't, if you're new to head shaving and you want to get into DE head shaving, don't just, I mean, you can if you want. I don't recommend it. For the areas you're uncomfortable with, use a cheap disposable. And that's what I'm going to do. Especially around the ears. Remember the end tabs on these DE razors. Some of them have them covered over, but the Gillettes, for the most part, are exposed. So we get around the ears. And the neck. My lather dissipated? Yeah, it has. Just doing this spot because I got a blemish up there. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need another pass. All right. Okay, lather up again. Grab the bowl. I've got enough lather to do 2 head shaves and probably another 2 face shaves. I overdid it a little bit, but I'm still practicing and learning. I normally just face lather. It's the most easiest. It's a method I prefer. But I'm doing bowl lathering because I'd like to get good at, you know, every aspect of wet shaving. That's like open blade shaves. I don't care to do them, but I'd like to get proficient at them. Which reminds me I need to do one here soon. Because it's been a while. And I've got the Turkish shavette there, the CDEF, or SEDEF, however you pronounce it. I gotta do one of that. Alright, we're tight. And remember, with these later super speeds, they can be a little loose. So if you're gonna head shave, even face shaving, you should always check before you start your pass that everything's tight, or you're in for a rude awakening. You know what got me thinking, as I've been watching all these old videos, can you imagine the guys back in the day that wanted their head shaved and they had to go to the barber, and the barber with a straight razor would completely shave their head? Woo. Nope, I am focusing on getting razors fixed and repaired. I really, like I've said in my other videos, the only one I really is that Heritage Gibbs. But the BS hassle of, as I've said, of waiting. I've had the money saved up for it for quite a while. I missed the first round. Let me get behind the head here. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little irritation, so I might switch back to the cart. I tell you what, that leaf razor and the thorn has spoiled me when it comes to head shaving. Even the thorn is very similar to a cart, even though it's single edge. And they feel and I did a head shave with that, and that was wonderful, the thorn. You could just get away with using that. I just wanted to get a D razor out. Okay. We'll go against I know I already went this direction. I want to blend everything. Yeah. Oh damn, this thing's really clogged up. Alright. Go this way because I really didn't do a good job with the D. Oh yeah, I got a strip right there. Got the angle right. The other thing is I did a head shave was a couple weeks ago with my fat boy, and I didn't have one cut, I really took my time. It took me probably 50, 60 minutes to do like an hour, I'd say. But I've been around the ear, I went real slow and took my time. But I'm going to go fast as I can today for you guys, because I know head shaves aren't really that popular, I'm noticing, which is fine, you know. Well, whatever they're using in this lube strip seems to be working, so. Yeah, just that spot. Good enough. Let me get the D for around the crown of my head here, because that annoys the crap out of me if I'm trying to put on my hat and it catches. And then we'll call it good. There we go. Still not getting BBS up there. It's that way I feel my hair. Got the right angle. Huh. Yeah, good enough. I'm not going to chase BBS up there and get horrible irritation. Well, Wednesday will be the viewer's choice shave number 3. Neck looks good. Yeah, good. Good enough. Okay, Lucky Witch Hazel. Dollar General doesn't sell it anymore. You got to go to Dollar Tree. At least in my area. And lastly, Ogalum, Bay Rum, Bay and vanilla. And it does have witch hazel. Here are the ingredients if you're interested. It's witch hazel, purified water, alcohol, bay rum, and vanilla fragrance oil. Make sure if you're going to use bay rum face, whatever, you shake it up real good. About 6 drops. And if it burns you, one of my viewers recommended a couple of drops of cold water before you put it on, you know, in your hands. And wow. Little burn on top of the head, but hey. And as for the lather, I mean, look at that. There's a crap ton left in there, so. No, not bad getting back at the D. I'm going to go for an adjustable the next time, though. I wanted to try this because it's the milder of my Gillette razors. I've got one that's even more mild than this, but yeah, want to try that. I'm going to use a Fat Boy next time because I did that a couple weeks ago and I didn't have one nick, no nothing. And I'll make it a long video. I'm sorry, you guys. I'll try to make it as short as possible. This cart from Big Lots work all right. You can get them even cheaper from for $1 for a couple of them. And then there's the Gillette Blacks. In fact, you know what? I'm going to be doing a in December here. I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Gillette Black and the Schick twin injector, or if I can find a track 2 in between that, and I'll do half my face with the Schick 2 with twin injector and the other half with the track 2, and see if which one's better. So, all right, decent head shape. I don't see any cuts. Yeah, there's some specials going on in the razor company. Check that out. There's all kinds of vendors that are having specials. Just look. I mean, it's a lot of good savings if you're looking for specific stuff. So, all right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on Wednesday with the Schick M adjustable shave. You guys take care out there, and happy shaves to all of you. See ya.